Udari, do you like to reach the pinnacle of your career?
Why not? It's my dream.
Okay, let's keep the very first step of your dream. A very good evening to all of you. No one can discover you until you do. Exploit your talents, skills, and strengths, and make the world sit up and take notice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Path to Pro 2022, proudly presented by the Commerce Club, University of Kelaniya.
You might wonder, why is it important to become a professional? Well, in the working world, your professionalism encompasses the way you carry yourself, your attitude, and the ways you communicate with others. Being professional can ensure a positive first impression, successful interpersonal relationships, and a lasting reputation within your organization and industry. So, this will be a great opportunity for all of us who have joined us today to gather insight that will help you in strengthening your future career. Over to you, Dinura.
Now, we would like to invite the Secretary of the Commerce Club, Piumini Hasara, to do the welcome speech.
Thank you, Dinura. Good evening, everyone. I'm highly honored and feel privileged to have been given an opportunity to welcome everyone on this very special occasion. Respected Dr. Mrs. Shamil, today our guest speakers, Ms. Maheshi, Ms. Anushka Erskine, Ms. Bernit Scott, all the lecturers and all the undergraduates. Today, it's a great pleasure to invite you all for another session of Commerce Club. As I'm sure you all know, Path to Pro is a project which is focused to your professional development organized by Commerce Club of the Department of Commerce and Financial Management. In purpose of the continuous development of commerce undergraduates, today we are stepping into first session of Path to Pro. I warmly welcome Ms. Maheshi, the Senior Executive for Marketing and Promotions of CMA. Mr. Anushka Erskine, the Head of Business School at Chartered Institute of Personnel Management. Mr. Bernit Scott, the Director of International Sales at BCS. It's our pleasure to honor you all and to give you a platform to continue the session. Thank you.
So thank you very much, Panchali. I hope you can hear me well, right?
Excuse me, madam. I'll invite you in a minute. Just wait for a second. So now, next we would like to invite our senior lecturer, Dr. Tishani Hera, the coordinator of the commerce stream, to address the session.
Thank you very much, Putta. Good evening to everyone. Head of the department, Dr. Shamil, all the academic members of the department, invited resource persons, Ms. Maheshi from CMA, Mr. Anushka from CIPM, and Ms. Bernie from BCS, and my dear students. Seems it's a fresh and hopeful evening for all of us. Though we all are passing the ever most crucial time period in our life as a nation, we should try our level best to rebuild this nation, the beautiful island. So I strictly believe that if we rise together, yes, we can do that. As responsible parties in the higher education sector of the country, we have greater responsibility in this regard. I believe so, because education and health are the essential and the essential components of the development country. So I see this program is such a little effort that we can contribute to develop the future generation of this country. So before talking about the about today's event, first I would like to briefly introduce ourselves. Department of Commerce and Financial Management is the pioneering department in the Commerce and Management Education in the University of Kelaniya. And after 45 years, still we are the largest department in the faculty as well as in the university in terms of student intake and the staff. Currently, our program, our department offers 4 degree programs like Bachelor of Commerce Honors, Bachelor of Commerce Honors in Business Technology, Bachelor of Commerce Honors in Entrepreneurship, and Bachelor of Commerce Honors in Financial Management. So in addition, we offer an external degree program for the external students, bachelor's degree, and also 2 master's degree program and a higher diploma program. So that's simply we are. So coming back to the today's event, this is an event organized by the Commerce Club of the Department of Commerce and Financial Management. Actually, when we were organizing this event, we had 2 main objectives. First is to make our students aware of the professional path that are open for them to develop their career progression, because both academic and professional qualifications are equally important for these career beginners. Next is to actually enhance the partnership collaborations between the university and the professional bodies, because we strictly believe that we both cater to the same stakeholders, particularly the youth of this country, and thus we lead the future of this country. So many opportunities are open for us to work together in many different ways. If we work together, of course, we can synergistically contribute to develop and rebuild this nation. Especially, we can uplift the future of the youth generation of this country. So we, the Department of Commerce and Financial Management, we invite you all for future collaborations as well. So with that invitation, once again, on behalf of the department, I would like to welcome Ms. Maheshi, Senior Executive for Marketing and Promotions, CMA Sri Lanka, Mr. Anushka, Head of Business School, CIPM, and Ms. Bernie, Director, International Schools, BCS. And also, I take this opportunity to thank my team, Mr. Hashan, Ms. Gimanti, Ms. Panchali, and Ms. Dulni for their and the organizing committee members of the Commerce Club for their effort, time committed to this event. And also, I hope this would be very fruitful, and I wish you all the very best. Once again, thank you for all the resource persons who commit their time and effort in today's program. Thank you, and over to you, Putta.
Thank you, madam. So now let's move on with today's proceedings. The Institute of Certified Management Accountants of Sri Lanka is one of the major professional bodies offering qualifications in management accountancy in Sri Lanka. If you want to be a professional management accountant, this is the chance for you. Our first guest this evening is Ms. Maheshi Purnima, the Senior Executive for Marketing and Promotions of CMA. Ms. Maheshi, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Dinura. First of all, I wish all of you a very good evening and a good day ahead. Basically, first of all, I would like to thank you all, especially for Commerce Club of University of Kelaniya to organizing this event for us and giving me the opportunity to represent the CMA Sri Lanka in this Path to Pro program. So I am Maheshi Purnima, representing Institute of Certified Management Accountants of Sri Lanka as executive to marketing and student promotions. First of all, I'd like to, this is actually CMA Sri Lanka. I'll be using CMA Sri Lanka instead of Institute of Certified Management Accountants hereafter. So the CMA Sri Lanka is incorporated as the only national institute of management accountancy in Sri Lanka. We are mainly incorporated. I will share. Can you please, is there any way that I can share my screen with you all? Dinura?
Give a second, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Shall I?
So until that, I'll continue my speech. In this situation of Sri Lanka, it's very unfortunate, but we are managing our lives with the flow somehow. We had to. So with this situation, actually, I think the education sector has fallen to a miserable place, but with our all collaboration, we have to go through this situation. In such a situation, I think we have to give more priority to professional qualifications as well as for academic qualifications, because one day, no matter what, we have to show up with our qualifications in order to, in case of going to, in case of going to, the industry we are exposed to, right? So I can share my screen now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So as I told you earlier, we are incorporated by the Parliament Act of 23rd of 2009, and being the only national body, we all are in a process of, in a national task of providing producing management accountants for the commercial sectors, both private and public sectors, right? So we are very humble that by now we are having more than 15,000 plus student base, happy customers, and plus members by right? So when it comes to the national, international recognitions, we are a body of IFAC, International Federation of Accountants, and it's a world body of accountancy and regional managed accountant bodies. So then that we are a recognized accountants, and South Asian Federation of Accountants, the CMA Sri Lanka gets the honor of that, right? So the course duration of this course will be 2.5 years. When
I suppose we lost her connection, and hopefully she will be back. Let's wait a moment, please.
Can anyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry
Your
for the
signal is.
interruption. Yes, I think my connection is poor because I don't know what is the issue. So I can you can hear me now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry
I
for
think
that.
it's better, ma'am. If you wish, you can switch off your video. Then your signal strength
Yeah.
will
Thank
be
you
better.
very much. Right. So I was somewhere here, right? So the course duration is 2.5 years. This will be a very good opportunity for the undergraduates of University of California because we have open pathways for exemptions for undergraduates, and the total course duration would be 2.5 years, but with the exemptions it will be like around 1.5 years. So once they go out from the university, that means after becoming graduates, while studying, they can get the professional qualification of CMA as well. So when we talk about the affordability, CIMA is the only institute that we can compare with our institute, because CIMA is the global institute and we also are globally recognized, but it is a foreign qualification, a UK one. So you have to pay them in pounds, but in our case, it's Sri Lankan rupees. Sorry. So I'll be just touching this part. So as you all are undergraduate, you all are not relevant to this part, but if you have cousins or sisters and brothers, you can pass the message that we have open pathways for BMS degree, Bachelor of Management Studies degree. Everyone is not lucky. Like you guys, you have studied hard and went to the universities, but most of them have left behind. So this opportunity is for them. So if they have 3 passes for their A levels and have completed up to managerial level of CMA, they can get exemptions for first 2 years of OUSL BMS degree and be a part of OUSL BMS degree holders, right? So the public sector and private sector job opportunities. We are mainly recognized in public sector as we are incorporated by a Parliament Act, and they have published a gazette saying that our qualification will be given priority when the government job opportunities are called, right? So this is that announcement, government recognition for the public corporations, state banks, statutory bodies, and departments. So this is another milestone of CMA. So after completing 3rd level of CMA, that means managerial level, you can apply for government accountancy examinations, grade 3 of accounting service of Sri Lanka, right? So this is the course outline. As I told you earlier also, this is 2.5 years of course, which you all are meeting 5 levels. They are foundation, operational, managerial, strategic, apex. So we have allocated 6 months per level. So you will be getting 21 subject plus 1 case study during this journey, as mentioned here. So in the first level, it will be 5 subjects. In operational level, it will be 6 subjects. Managerial level 5, likewise. So CMA awards a certificate in each level, as mentioned here. In foundation level, it's a certificate in accounting and business studies. In this second stage, it will be diploma certificate in accounting and business studies, and then the advanced diploma, then the professional certificate and the pass finalist certificate. Right after completion of all these 5 levels, if you there's a practical training of 3 years, practical training requirement of 3 years. After showing these 3 years, you can go for ACMA membership. This is a name title that you can use under following your name, account associate, certified management accountant. Right. So actually, when we are talking about this 3 years of practical training, there is opportunity for you guys to show this practical training while you are studying as well. That means while you are studying, following this professional course, parallelly you can sign up the practical training book and collect the practical requirement, fulfill the practical requirement, or else you can complete whole 5 levels at once and go for ACMA membership later, fulfilling 3 years of working experience, right? And here there is an additional opportunity after completion of operational level and managerial level, operational level. You can go for CABM qualification, Certified Accounting and Business Manager. That is also a qualification, middle level qualification for the CMA partially qualified students. So if they can fulfill 2 years of working experience after completion of diploma level, you can go for this CABM qualification. That is not compulsory actually, it's an optional one. You have to complete at least 3 subjects from operational level or 3 subjects from managerial level. One student can ask whether if they are going through the exemption pathways, sometimes these first operational level and managerial level will be fully exempted. Sorry, for those students, they cannot apply for CABM qualification. So that's it. And these are the CMA awards. I hope it's clear. And there are 2 learning modes. Either ways, either ways of this, you have to, it is compulsory to get the study pack for the level you are engaging in, right? That means you have to purchase the study pack in PDF format or book format in order to be eligible for the examinations, right? First learning mode is self-studying. Of course, you can get the books and self-study. We will be arranging practice exam sessions before the exams, and we will be conducting some webinar series from, e-learning sessions from CMA Education and Training Division. So you don't have to worry about the examinations by self-studies, right? So the CMA Sri Lanka does not conduct any classes for the levels. For that, we have list of accredited study centers as mentioned here. So you can select one of them on your face and join with them, right? Somehow attending to classes are not compulsory. When it comes to examinations, operational level exam will be held 4 times a year, and exams will be in center-based testing and online test. All 3 mediums are available for foundation level, and operational level also all 3 mediums are available, but only 3 times a year. Examinations will be conducted 3 times a year. This June exam and December exam will be in CBT and online, but September is only a CBT examination. CBT stands for center-based testing. That means examination will be conducted at the CMA Computer Center, or else you can do it remotely. That is called online exams. other three, when we talk about other three levels, all three levels, managerial, strategic, and apex levels are only in English medium. Managerial level exam will be conducted in 3 times a year. Like in operational level, June and December will be CBT and online. September is only a CBT examination. Strategic and apex levels will be conducted 2 times a year, May and November. That is physical exam only for local students, right? For foreign, that means overseas students, they can get the online examination. So I'm going to the exemption pathways. So this will be without going further, I'll move to this exemption pathways. So for the first year completed students of commerce and management studies faculty, you can get 4 subject exemptions after completion of first year, right? This is a general one. After completion of first year, you can get 3 subject exemptions from first level or foundation level, and 1 subject from operational level. So the total subjects exemptions would be 4. The total exemption fee is 16,500 rupees. There's an ongoing special discount for the university undergraduates these days. If they can get registered before the end of this month, you will be getting 50% off on your exemption payment. To get the eligibility, you have to get register only. Exemptions can be applied later on. So this is the maximum number of subject exemptions that a university undergraduate can get. That is not the undergraduates, second year completed to above, including graduates, right? That means we open up this exemption pathways thinking that you all are graduates, right? Then once you get the exemptions and start as a graduate, right? Thinking as a graduate, when you are actually graduating from universities, you can get this professional qualification as well, right? When you are exposed to the industry, you can get this professional qualification plus academic qualification as well. This is a dual opportunity, dual qualification for you guys. That will be very advantageous in will be an advantage in salary negotiation and job opportunities when seeking for more job opportunities, right? So I think you will get this clear. That means how important this would be. So the accountancy special degree holders, all first 3 levels will be exempted, fully exempted, total of 16 subjects. So you have to start CMA from strategic level 4 subjects, and after that you have to complete apex level 1 subject and 1 case study within 1 year of period, right? That will be more convenient for you. That means it will be more advantage for you guys. So the total exemption fee is 73,750 rupees. After the special discount, it will be 36,785 rupees. So for the BCom special degree holders, second year completed and above, including graduates, we will be offering 14 subject exemptions. So the student has to start CMA from managerial level, 2 subjects, AMA and CRA. Advanced management accounting and corporate reporting analysis, 2 subjects. So the exemption fee would be 66,250 rupees, but after the special discount, you have to pay only 33,125 rupees. there are 12 subject exemptions offered for both the BCom honors in financial management undergraduates to graduates and BBM honors in finance. Both will be offered with same exemptions, same number of exemptions. So the foundation level and operational level will be fully exempted. Managerial level, one subject will be exempted from 5 subjects. So the total subject exemptions is 12. Exemption fee is 52,750 rupees. After the special discount, you have to pay only 26,375. 10 subjects will be exempted for BBM honors in marketing, BBM specialized in human resource management. So this is also same like previous. This will be offered for a second year completed to graduates. So the exemption fee would be 43,750 after the discount. 21,875 will be you have to pay that amount. So for the operational level, there are 6 subjects. From that, 4 subjects are exempted. So these 2 degree holders must start CMA from MA and AFF subjects: management accounting and advanced financial accounting and finance. Yes. For the BCom honors in business technology students, 9 subjects will be exempted. Foundation level fully exempted. Operational level, there are 6 subjects. From that, 2 subjects will be exempted: BE2, Business English 2, and Information Technology Appliances. And in managerial level, PID and PC subjects will be exempted. So the total exemption fee is 40,000. After the discount, it will be only 20,000 rupees. This is for BCom honors in entrepreneurship. They also offered with 8 subject exemptions, like mentioned here. So they have to start CMA from operational level. So 4 subjects: MA, AFF, MBO, and BLT. Right. So after the special discount, they have to pay for these exemptions 17,375 rupees only. This is a special case. So the exemptions are available up to 14 subjects for these 2 qualifications: BBM honors in auditing and forensic accounting, and BBM honors in accounting information systems. Both students will be offered up to 14 subjects, but this is not like previous ones. This will be offered the completed year wise, not given for second year completed to graduates. After the graduation, you will get more number of exemptions than the second year completed ones. Hope you can understand this thing. Yes, now you are open for questions. Yes.
Thank you so much, Ms. Maheshi, for sharing your valuable insight with us. So next, we'll move on to the Q&A session. If you have any questions regarding CMA, you can use your chat box or unmute yourself and feel free to ask questions.
Excuse me, ma'am. There is one question.
Yes.
If I do exam at the strategic level, should I do all subjects at once?
Yes.
Or can I at least, can't I at least do 2 subjects for once?
No, Puta. Yes, of course, in first 3 levels, you can decide that means you can, on your own phase, you can attend for examination. But in strategic level, you have to get the examination at once in the first sitting. If you have failed one or 2 subjects, it doesn't matter, you can get it later. But unfortunately, all 4 subjects in strategic level, you have to get it once.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions? Any other questions, Putta?
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, tell me, Putta.
For a person who wanted to another course related to this field, can she get exception if she has studied the CMA course before?
Sorry, Putta, I didn't get you clearly.
For a person who wanted to do another course related to this field,
Yes.
can she get exception if she has studied the CMA course before?
Yes, you can. That means reciprocal of exemptions to other institutes, right? You're asking that question, right?
Yeah.
Yes, the reciprocal would be, let me check. For the ICSL, in ICSL, you can get up to 8 subject exemptions. The foundation level will be fully exempted. Business level 2, 3 subjects will be exempted. Right, in ACCA UK also you can get 8 subject exemptions from first 2 levels. CIMA UK there are exemptions, but the thing is they are evaluating your transcript and the level you have completed individually. Right, they are not publishing the number of exemptions anywhere. They have to contact and get the exemptions from them after completion or partially completion of CMA. It's clear, right?
Yeah,
That is what
thank
you
you.
have asked. Right? Okay. Another questions?
Yes, ma'am. What are the exemptions granted by the professional examination for the CMA qualification?
I didn't get you, Pata.
What are the exemptions granted by other professional examination for the CMA qualification?
That means from ICSL likewise, right? The thing is, Putta, depending on the completed year, that might vary, right? When if I get an example, if the recent completion of ACCA professional level, up to professional level, all 3 stages of first 3 stages of CMA will be exempted, and CIMA also likewise. Hope that there will be 1 or 2 persons with those who have become past finalists from CIMA or ACC or ICASL. For those students can get all 4 stages of CMA can be exempted, can get exemptions.
Okay.
If you have completed up to, partially completed up to some level, please send me a text message so I can assist you with, right? I can directly tell you how many subjects that you can get for other qualifications without evaluating the syllabus you have completed, the qualification, and the level, the last completed level. Without those 2, I cannot exactly tell this much will be exempted from you, right?
Thank you.
There is another question, ma'am. What are the exemptions for ACCA if we are following CMA? There will be 8 subject exemptions, Putta. All 3 subjects from first level, that means knowledge level will be exempted. In the application skills, applied skills level, 5 subjects will be exempted. You have to start ACCA from skill level 1 subject. And there's another question, madam, how many subjects exemptions ICSL for CMA, madam? Yes, that is what I have told you earlier. Without the syllabus and the last completed level, I cannot express, say it here now. Think if it is business level 2, so the CMA 6 subjects will be exempted. Someone has asked what are the exemptions for the AAT pass finalist. If it is after pass finalist after 2015, you will be getting 8 subject exemptions again. If it is before that, only 5 subjects will be exempted. Is there anything else? Any other question?
Yes guys, you can ask anything. Ada සිංහලෙන් හරි අහන්න පුළුවන් කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ.
කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ අහන්න. ඔව්. අහන්න පුතේ සිංහලෙන් හරි tamil වලින් හරි කමක් නැහැ. I am not good in Tamil but I can understand, so I can give you explanation in English.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, tell me Puta.
To get the membership, are there things that must be completed in addition to exams and case studies? I have heard that speech, craft, and workshop must be done.
Yes, that is two additional things. It is an actual compulsory to go through those two things. That means speechcraft and speechcraft program and the CBT, yes, examination. So it is a compulsory, but the thing is you don't have to wait until you become a pass finalist. Once you complete managerial level, you can start speechcraft program.
Thank you.
Welcome. So I have got another question saying how many subjects exemptions ICSL corporate level for CMA exams? Yes, CMA corporate level, if it is a new syllabus, 12 subjects will be exempted from first 3 levels with a special discount. Okay, that is discount is applicable for professional bodies as well. That means IFAC recognized bodies, ACCA, CIMA, ICASL. All 3 qualifications and the AAT as well, you all are entitled for 50% discount on your exemption payment. If there is anything, please feel free to call me. My number is given here, so you can call me anytime. Is there any questions?
Yes, ma'am. There are 4 levels of the CMA course. If we complete one by one stage, we can get the designation or a certificate for that completion, or should we complete our experience parallel to the completion of exams?
First thing is there are 5 levels in CMA, not 4, right? Like mentioned here, right? After in each level, completion of each level, you will be awarded these certificates. No practical requirement is required to complete. Complete CMA as qualification, right? But in order to go for the CA, BM, and ACMA qualifications, it is a must to provide practical training. Fulfill practical training. Right, this can be done while you are studying or after completion of the after becoming a CMA pass finalist. It doesn't matter, but it is a must to fulfill these practical requirements in any accountancy and finance background. It doesn't matter if it is training or auditing or any practical working experience as a designation. Clear, right? Okay. Is there anything else, Pata?
ඔයාලට මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද අහන්න හොඳ opportunity එකක් ප්‍රශ්න අහලා මේ clear කරගන්න පුළුවන්.
ඕගොල්ලොන්ට දැන් මේ exemption pathways අපි open කරලා තියෙන්නේ මොනවාද? graduate වෙලා ඉන්නවා කියලා හිතාගෙන. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලන්ට parallel මේ දෙකම කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. හොඳ opportunity එකක් අර academic qualifications විතරක් නෙමෙයි professional qualification එකකුත් එක්ක ඔයාලට එළියට යන්න තියෙනවා. මොකද අපේ job කියන්නේ market එක බලනකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා මේ මොනවාද ඒ කියන්නේ jobs open කරලා තිබුණාට ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ඔයාලගේ CV එකේ ඒ කියන්නේ first impression එකේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ professional qualifications, academic qualifications, එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ working experience. අපි එතකොට දැන් graduate වෙනකොට මේ qualifications දෙකක් fulfill වෙලා එළියට යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක වගේ ගොඩක් හොඳ opportunity එකක්. මොකද සමහර විටන් ඉන්නවා මම ඩිග්‍රේඩ් කරනවා නෙමෙයි ඔබ මේ යුනිවර්සිටි ඩිග්‍රී එකක් තිබුණු පළියටම එහෙම හොඳ ජොබ් එකකට යන්න පුළුවන් මම කියන්නේ මෙහෙ නෙමෙයි ෆොරින් ඔපචුනිටි එකකට උනත් කියලා. ඒ උනට එහෙම නැහැ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල් ක්වොලිෆිකේෂන් එකකින් ඔයාට වගේ අර මේ මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ ක්වොලිෆිකේෂන්ස් තව ඩබල් අප් වෙන එක වෙන්නේ. කියන්නේ টপ අප් වෙන එක වෙන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා ඒක හොඳ ඔපචුනිටි එකක්. ඒතර මේ එක්සෙම්පෂන්ස් පාත් එකේ ගියපුවාම ඔයාලට තවත් කියන්නේ ෆාස්ට් ලර්නර් කෙනෙක් නම් ළඟම එන එක්සෑම් එකේදී එක්සෑම් සිට් කරලා ඉතුරු ලෙවල්ස් ටිකක් කම්ප්ලීට් කරගන්න පුළුවන් පොඩි කාලෙකදී. එතකොට ඔයාට යුනිවර්සිටි එකෙන් එළියට යනකොට ක්වොලිෆිකේෂන්ස් දෙකක් එක්ක එළියට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට අමතරව වෙනත් මුකුත් තියනවද?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Buddha.
How do we get MBA with CMA? Can it be obtained from Calania University itself?
Yes, Calania University. Actually, I am not aware of that, Buddha. I have to check it with the education division. Somehow the MBA is, you can get the MBA from PIM as well. There are opportunities for MBAs after the becoming pass finalist.
Okay, madam.
Thank you very much. Is there anything else?
Any questions, guys?
ඩිලාන් ඔයාට ඒක ගැන තවත් ඒ කියන්නේ හරියටම දැනගන්න ඕන නම් අර චුට්ටක් මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තියන්න පුතා මම ඒක චුට්ටක් එඩියුකේෂන් ඩිවිෂන් එකත් එක්ක කතා කරලා ඔයාලට කියන්න. මොකද MBA pathways ගොඩක් ඒගොල්ලෝ තමා මේ කියන්නේ foreign opportunities උත් තියෙනවා යුනිවර්සිටි ග්‍රැජුවේෂන් ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ academic qualification එකත් එක්ක යන. ඒක පොඩක් critical මට මේ වෙලාවේදී කියන්න අමාරුයි. එහෙමනම් මට චුට්ටක් මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තියන්න මගේ නම්බර් එකට මේ මම ඒකදී ඔයාලට උදව් කරන්නම් කොහොමද වෙන්නේ කියලා.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Welcome.
ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්න මොහොතේ තව තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න පුළුවන්.
Is this also accepted in foreign countries කියලා අහලා තියෙනවා. Yes. This is a internationally recognized qualification Pota, as I mentioned here. So we are a member of IFAC, International Federation of Accountants. We are one of 180 countries there. So that means this International Federation of Accountants is the global world body of accounting and regional management accounting bodies, right? Hence, we are globally recognized, mostly in Middle Eastern countries. There are plenty of students who are working there. So this is a globally recognized one. Madam, when is the last day to get the discount for exemptions? Right, actually Puta, it's the end of this month, but you can just call me so I can reserve it for you. As you all are available here, I can arrange this discount for you guys after that also. You have to pay only 4,000 rupees as the registration payment by the end of this month. So then you can be eligible for this exemption discount until end of this year. So once you pay for exemptions, you have to pay only 50% amount of that. Is there anything else? I think that's it, right,
Yeah.
Dinura?
Yeah. So that's the conclusion of the Q&A session. Miss Maheshi, it's so good to have you here. And again, thank you very much for joining us today.